Assalamualaikum. Hope everybody you are fine. Actually, some students ask me about university ranking and subject ranking about Bangladesh. So for them, I prepared this video. So if you go in Google and just write Scimago subject ranking or university ranking, you will find this. Maybe you can ask what is Scimago. It is actually from Spanish, and normally for journal ranking, or if you want to go the name of any journal, so then you have to search Scimago. If you find the name, like if I want to go in this journal rankings, any subject, any country, you can choose like this. Okay. So today I'm not going about journal ranking. I'm going university ranking. So I'm going here about university ranking. So this is an authentic ranking website. You can know anything. If you want to know anything about any university or any subject of any country, then you can go for there. Like here, you can go in year. So here you can see 2025. Now, as I'm from Bangladesh, I will go the subject for Bangladesh. Okay, you can choose any area or any country. Now I'm going for Bangladesh. Okay. So now Bangladesh, all subject area, this is for universities. Okay, so you can see the ranking of the universities, like number one, BGC Trust University in Bangladesh, number two, Siraj University, number three, University of Dhaka, and there are other universities. So you can see there how many universities here. There are about, go in the end, we will find 43 universities. Okay, all are not government university. You will find some are private university as well. So now, if you can check, okay, now can the top three university you can choose, BGC, Sylhet University, and Dhaka University. You can choose and compare, okay, one, two, three. Now I can compare these three universities. Now, if you look, overall, BGC is highest, then second, but Dhaka University, okay. But if you go on the research Dhaka University is far, far better than Sylhet University, and BGC is highest. Okay, so what's the difference here actually? Huh? Why BGC is highest? Why, though Dhaka University is higher in research, but they are not in number one. The reason is that now, if we go in next slide, the innovation. Okay, so in innovation, Select University is topper. Then Dhaka University or BGC Trust. Okay, so in which case, Sylhet University have now this Dhaka University, they do more research, okay, and publication. But the research that innovate, they get new idea. For that, Sylhet University is topper. And you can see this started from 2022, not before. Dhaka University is old university. They have in the beginning, they are in the ranking. But Sylhet University, they have registered just in 2022. In BCC Trust, they registered on 2023. So before that, you will not get any data from this university. Okay. Now, if you go for like subject area, like if you go for Dhaka University or Sylhet University, BCC Trust, so this is for all university. Okay. So Dhaka University have lots of subjects here. Okay. But Sylhet University, they only have that agricultural science or biochemistry or earth and planet science. Okay. So the average, if you go for average, then you will find BGC Trust University. Like if I go for only one university, I am not going to compare, then it will be easy for you to understand. I want to know about BGC Trust University. Okay. So now, if you go for BGC Trust University, though they have lots of subjects, but they have registered for two subjects. That is one for medicine and another one for pharmacology. And both of them are in first in Bangladesh. This is why, on average, they are first in whole university. But if you go in BGC University, then you will find they have more other subjects. Like if you go the website of BGC. BGC. So now we can see the website of BGC. Okay. So now if you go for administration, they have faculty of law, faculty of administration, faculty of science. Okay. So they don't only have two subjects, they have all other subjects as well. But they have registered only for two. This is why they are number one. But if you go for other subject, is not mentioned here. Okay. So now if you go for ranking, other ranking, now we are going for Sylhet University. Now if you go for Sylhet University, okay, so you can see in biochemistry, genetics and molecular biology, they are first in whole Bangladesh, okay. Now for agriculture university, agriculture biological science, they are third. They also have other subjects as well. So in animal and science and zoology, you can see they are in fourth in position. In aquatic science, they are in first in position. Ecology, evolution, behavior, and systemic, they are in first. Food science, they are in second. And plant science, they are in fourth in position. Okay. And veterinary science, they are third in position. So now, if you want to go for only for biochemistry and for in Bangladesh, whole Bangladesh, if you go Bangladesh, that overall ranking, all sector or universities. Then in biochemistry, genetics and molecular biology, you can see Sylhet University is number one in ranking, then Islam University, then Khulna University, then University of Dhaka. Now we can choose, compare these four universities, okay? Then we'll find the comparison. So in biochemistry, overall, you can see Sylhet universities are better. But if you go for research, you will find that from 2009, as Dhaka University, old university, they are very good in research and they are top in research. Okay, in research, Sylhet University is very low. Okay, and even Islam University is better, Khulna University is better. But for innovation, Sylhet University is higher. Even in societal, Sylhet University is higher. That makes them overall ranking. The biochemistry, genetics. So if you can compare here, okay, so in different subject, universities that Dhaka University have lots of subjects. So, but for biochemistry and genetics and molecular biology, Sylhet University is the highest rank, number one, then two, Islam University, then Khulna, then Dhaka University. Now, if you want to go, if I go for overall ranking again, not only biochemistry, if I go for all subject area, you find BGC class. But then, if you go innovation rank, then you will find Sylhet University is number one in ranking. Okay. Now maybe we can choose for overall and for other subject as well. Like you know, now lots of agriculture universities there. They have different subjects like veterinary, agriculture. So we can compare. So if we go for veterinaries, if we go for veterinary, then you'll find Bangladesh Agriculture University is number one, topper, then Sylhet University, then Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur, and then Sher Bangla. Now you can ask, there are some other universities, okay, Agriculture University, they also teach veterinary. Why they are not here? Because they have not registered for ranking. Like if you go for animal science, like agriculture and biological science, okay. So in agriculture and biological science, we can go for animal science and zoology. Then you'll find animal science overall ranking, Bangladesh Agriculture University, then Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Dhaka University, because they also discuss something about animal. then Siraj University, and then Shere Bangla Agriculture University. Now, if we go for crop science, like plant science, then you will find uh, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Agriculture University, that is now Ghazipur Agriculture University is the topper. Then second is Shere Bangla, then Daffodil, then Siraj University. Okay. I hope that you understand these things. Okay. Now, if you don't want to go overall, if you go for research or something else, you will find different, like all subject areas, and then we can go for agriculture. Then we can go okay, for animal science. There is only overall is actually available here. So I think most of you understand this thing. So now, like if you go for aquatic science, now aquatic science, you can see the Siraj University, then Bangladesh University, University of Chittagong, Shahjara, SAS, Bangabandhu, Sheikh Mujibur. If you want to know about more about protocol science and technology university, which subject they are better, you can see they are very good in art and planetary science. They are fast in Bangladesh. Okay, in agriculture and biological science, for soil science, they are very good in soil science. They are fast in Bangladesh. Food science, they are 9. Aquatic science, they are 6th in position. Okay, so that means protocol science and technology, they are also good in some subject. So all universities are not good or best for all subjects. Different universities better for different subjects. And you can see like protocol also started their rank from 2022. Why? Because they registered for this. There are some university, like new university, if you can go about like Kurigram or Kaviganj or Khulna or some other university, newly established university, they have not registered yet. So this is why they are not in the ranking. Okay. So I think that most of you have understand about the way they made the ranking and the subject ranking. You can choose. You can choose any from this website. You can choose any country. Like if you go for animal science and you want to know about UK, okay, animal science, and now you want to know about England or UK, okay, yeah. United Kingdom, okay. So you can see the ranking, okay. Animal science, Edinburgh, Oxford, Cambridge, Nottingham. So you can see. So my University, Newcastle upon Tyne is on 17. If you want to go for more, okay, as they are very old university, they have old ranking, but they are very good in dentistry. They're 6th in UK, and for agriculture, they are 22nd in animal science, aquatic, or food science, or like this. Forestry, they are good. Even veterinary science, they are 23rd, but they are very good in medicine. 13, environmental science, they are very good, and dentistry, they are 6th in position. So by this website, you can search any university of any country or any subject. You can go for whole university or maybe so. I hope most of you understand. If you have any question, you can write on the link. Thank you.